Okay, we got some two-story walkers here. Okay, they're about 20 feet each. Get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got about 140 foot on the front, 140 on the back of some of these. I think there's a whole boatload of buildings here. So I'm looking to get the a set number. Probably have a number for the gutter cleaning and any additional costs for downspouts if necessary to take apart. So some of these are perfect candidate for gutter helmets. So there is it's quite a big complex. So roofs are about 512. Okay. So yeah, this goes back quite a ways. So there's a lot of buildings here. We'll give a price for if we can drop it to the ground and a price if we're going to bag them. So if we're going to bag it and haul it away, that'll be one number. Drop it to the ground will obviously be less. Again, we don't know if the like this one we know is full. This has got a gutter garden growing in it, so that we're going to have to deal with. Okay. So I guess our best way to do this is just per unit. So we know each unit has 40 feet of gutter. I think we'll be fine there. It goes through the building. Somebody's got some trees hitting the building too. Let us see.